Betsy. Hello, Elmer. What would you rather us call you Betsy?
Eleanor, innocent people are dying. And they're going to continue to die. Until we stop it.
Did you know about the murders over the past year?
No, I didn't, I swear. I thought when Rick died, it would be over.
Help us. Betsy, this is not what you want Rick's legacy to be.
His Mayan name was Inyo. He was a proud, young athlete nearly 1,000 years ago. He lived for sport and never wanted his days in the sun to end. So he arranged a bargain with the god